Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from a calculator paper in 2020. So it says some players were asked what was the shirt colour of their football team, and they either said white, blue, red or green, and a pie chart is drawn to show this. Now two of the sectors are already on there for your white and your blue, and it says the number who answered red is 3 times the number who answered green. So what I would do as soon as I see that information is just write a little ratio. So red is 3 parts, green is 1 part, and we can see from that ratio that the angle for red has got to be 3 times bigger than the angle for green. We've then got to use, got to then draw this on a pie chart. Now you haven't got this, you might not have this question printed off, so you can just do the calculations for now. You will usually get some marks for that anyway. And then if you can manage to get a copy of this paper, you can have a practice at perhaps drawing it maybe. So pause your video for this one and have a go. Okay, so let's take away the 2 angles that we already have. So we've already got 165 for the blue and then 75 for the white. So that makes 120 degrees that we've got left for the red and the green. You'll see here that the ratio is 3 to 1. So if you do 120 divided by 4, that's 30 degrees. So that's 1 part in the ratio. So that's going to be the green. And then if we do 30 times 3, that will be 90 degrees, which will be the red on the pie chart. Another way of looking at this, you can do this algebraically if you like. So you could call the red 3x, the green just x, and then you can write an equation like this. So 4x equals 120. You can divide by 4, so that x is 30, and then you can do your 3x then up to 90. So you can do this algebraically or with a ratio. It's just whatever you find most straightforward, really. And here is how the pie chart should look. So this is from a work solution to this particular paper. Now on the pie chart questions, I would always show all of you working out like this, because you do often get 2 out of 3 marks for showing correct calculations, so incorrect angle sizes, and then sometimes you get the 3rd mark. You usually get the 3rd mark then for drawing it correctly.